I gotta try wing. I'm gonna take this top one. Look at this.
Oh, and it's the,
Whole thing. Look at that.
crazy.
I'm finna eat this. Finna eat this. Finna eat these. I'm finna eat this. Alright, what up, y'all? It's Mary. You watching Finna Eat. And like I told you before, I want to start bringing guests. And these guests are going to show me around town, show me something that they like, somewhere they go. And today, I got Dunny here with me. Tell me where we're at.
Yeah, we over here at BonChon and Central Park. You know, we came for the wings today.
Bet, came for the wings. What kind?
Soy garlic.
Soy garlic.
I'll let you know. Come get your issue.
It's ready. Let's go. I'm ready to eat, so we're just gonna go inside.
Let's go.
You said, what are we getting? I know we getting the wings.
Yeah, and then we getting the japchae.
Japchae.
Yeah.
Well, I know you, but I want the viewers to know you. Like, tell me what you do.
Well, I'm a barber. One of the baddest in the city.
Yeah.
My whole barber squad, we mean both shops. Gentlemen's Club 1 and 2. But yeah, we got the top barber shops in the city.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
I know one of your barbers holds a belt, right?
We got a couple barbers hold a belt.
Okay.
Yeah. They know us.
Yeah, I see y'all do big things. And I know they cut some in here.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. We got it. And it looks so good. Like, I don't know if y'all can see the crispiness and the glaziness of these wings, but it looks amazing.
And they ain't do this just for the show. This is how they really present it every time.
Every time.
Every time.
Alright, so this is new, okay? This is new to me, y'all. These glass noodles. Do you see this? I want y'all to see that. Alright? I'm excited. I don't know what I want to try first. I'm gonna try a wing. I gotta try a wing. I'm gonna take this top one. Look at this.
Oh, and it's the,
Whole thing. Look at that.
crazy.
It's a nice big one.
I'm
And
finna
eat this.
Motherfucker, hot
Ooh.
people.
That's good.
This is an experience.
Yo, like, yeah, it's sticky, but it's so sweet. You can taste that soy sauce. It's just a hint, you know, just enough. Oh my.
I tried to eat.
Yeah. That crispy, the skin is what gets you.
I let my mother try some of these one time. That's why I be going there so much during the week, because I might go Monday and Wednesday, but she's gonna call me on Tuesday and be like, hey, can you go get me some of those good wings? At first I was like, what are you talking about? She was like, you know the wings you let me try last night, the good wings. So now, every time she calls and wants some, she be like, the good wings.
That's all she has to say.
Yeah, and I'll be like, all right.
It's time for the, what's it called again?
Japchae.
Japchae. Japchae, glass noodles, some carrots, no mushroom.
No mushrooms.
Alright, show y'all this. Oop. Alright, now we finna eat this.
That shit about to be good. Look at her face. Wait for it.
Oh yeah, I like that.
I mean, I told her, I hit her in the DM and was like, how you gonna have a show about food without the snack king? You know what I'm saying?
Snack gang.
Snack gang CEO.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I tried to tell her, damn, she'll believe it.
He was right. First guest, special guest. Ooh, while we talking about it, okay? You know, you my first guest, right?
Okay.
So you gonna get
wearing that tomorrow to the shop. Not playing.
Yeah. So now you in the finna eat game.
Yeah, thank you.
But thank you, sir. I appreciate this invite. I am so glad you came on. You know, it was a pleasure to have you. I'm definitely happy to be here. Y'all definitely need to come check out BonChon, okay? And for real, I'm not gonna have any words after this because it's time to eat. So we will catch y'all later. And yeah, subscribe, hit the bells, ding the buttons. But yeah, see y'all next time.